Susan and I met, I was working at a little Italian restaurant in Memphis, Tennessee. Her and her friends would
Come in for happy hour?
come in for happy hour.
I made them go in there because I thought the bartender was cute.
We rode our scooters
3,000 miles?
3,000 miles round trip.
To get married on the beach in Key West.
Yep. When I found out I had cancer in July of 2012, it was right on our anniversary.
Our second wedding
Our
anniversary.
second wedding anniversary. We had planned a trip, but we had to postpone it to have a 3.8 pound tumor removed.
He was diagnosed with renal cell carcinoma, which we didn't know what that was, basically kidney cancer. And then that year, we had another health scare at Christmas.
And the cancer had returned. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
The doctor came in and I knew something was wrong. And they said, yeah, it had spread, throughout your body and they couldn't operate. Susan had already been on the phone.
I knew that there had to be something else out there. And so that led us to the Opdivo clinical trial at MD Anderson. But we really weren't searching for that in particular. We were just seeking another answer besides there's nothing we can do.
Yeah.
Or the only thing we can do is this chemo that, by the way, doesn't really work very well. I said, you recover, we're gonna be on a plane, we're going to Houston in a week.
Dr. Kinnear basically said it was like finding a key to your immune system and turning it on and to fight that particular cancer. I guess when I first noticed that Opdivo was working, it was, I would say, probably about 3 months into the clinical trial. I definitely could tell that I was feeling stronger and I was able to get around better.
The very first scans.
The very first scans, which
showed a reduction in the tumor. It was a significant amount. We were very surprised.
where I'm at with my treatment, I'm now off Opdivo. I'm just going in for scans. Now that I'm not having to go to Houston every other Tuesday, I'm going back to the gym, able to do yard work and the honey-do list and alive and kicking.
Yeah.
We're starting a new business and looking forward to the future. Yeah.
It's a whiskey tasting company. We both have a level 1 whiskey sommelier certification.
We work well together. 3 years ago, I don't know if we could have even thought of this. Now we're able to think about a new business at our age. Susan in all this, she was my angel, making sure that, all my needs were taken care of.
That's what you do.
And she does it well.
Yeah. What people should know about immunotherapy is just that it's a way for you to become empowered to heal yourself.
Yeah.
And that just the whole science behind immunotherapy has moved so quickly to get to a cancer treatment like this that's just so radically different from chemotherapy.
Your body is doing the hard work. I'd just like to say any donors to the Cancer Research Institute, it's going to help people, have lives and have hope and have a future. Having this experience has helped me to see a future, go out and, live life again.